Chayote Omelette or black pepper Mirliton Omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Chayote recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the black pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most tastiest of the Mirliton recipes. Today we are going to make Chayote black pepper omelette or Mirliton black pepper omelette. We have taken around 200 grams of chayote, peeled and cut into very small pieces. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the mix. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces by mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Keep on mixing and crush the Mix in the shallots with the rest of mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Now put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix the black pepper. In the chayote pieces into the egg mixture. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix until all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Pour in the egg mixture into the pan and let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. The black pepper chayote omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final black pepper chayote omelette or black pepper Mirliton omelette one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Chayote recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most different of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the omelette recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.